Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are well.
Let's get started.
This video is the second part of Glowup before 2025. If you have not seen the first part, then go and watch the second part first. The second part is in the description box of the video.
1.
Tips for appearance. Invest in higher quality accessories, shoes, bags, and jewelry over clothes according to your budget. Always have your hair done. Choose a signature makeup look based on your skin tone and face shape. Take care of your nails, apply moisturizer, shape them and remove dirt. Develop a signature style based on what you like, your body type and lifestyle. Use color theory to determine what colors suit your skin tone and use that as a guide.
2.
What should be in the bag? Keep floss and mint to remove food between your teeth after eating and to keep breath smelling good. Extra mini deodorant on sweaty days. Mini perfume that your signature scent. Lip product plus lip balm for reapplication. Sunscreen or sun stick for reapplication. When your hair is a little messed up, keep a small comb for it.
3.
Focus on personal life.
Productivity.
Plan ahead everything. Do scheduling you can use.
Calendar. Keep notes app. YouTube channel. MoMoJasminar.
If task takes less than 2 minutes to finish, do it immediately. Start slow. Don't rush and try to do everything at one time. Follow a proper routine. Use app locks based on screen time. Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes work and 5 minutes break. Schedule longer break times as well, for example 30 minutes nap.
Maintenance.
Daily work. To-do list for the day. Make your bed, clean the kitchen, floors, wash your innerwears. Weekly tasks. Maintenance. Weekly grocery shopping, weekly meal prep, to-do list for the new week. Cleaning laundry, clothing, bedding, towels. Clean and disinfect surfaces, floor, bathroom, toilet. Declutter your closet, organize work desk.
4.
Mental glow up. Mindset. Set clear goals, define and break down your aspiration. Start your mornings with positive affirmations. Be shamelessly rude to all distractions. Surrounded yourself with uplifting content and people. Relaxed your mind from overthinking for as low as 10 minutes. Read daily nonfiction, preferably journaling, gratitude journal morning or evening. Digital detox once a week or for 12 hours. No social media after waking up and at least an hour before bed. Limit unnecessary screen time. Unfollow or cut off toxic people. Journal prompts. Reflects on the past 6 months. What has been your biggest lesson? What are you most proud of? What are 3 things you want to keep doing? What inspires you? How can I make today, this week and month better? What are my self-limiting beliefs? 10 things I love about myself.
Wait.
Oh, Momo, go away from here.
Now I have something else to share with you, guys, so watch the video till the end.
5.
Special tips. Be curious and open-minded. Pick up a new hobby. Focus on your dreams. Spend time with family. Do pray at least 1 hour. Stop relying on others.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.